Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to hide an unhide folder in Windows 10. If you want to hide any folder in Windows 10, go to that folder location and select that folder. For example, I want to hide my document folder that contains some of my document and subfolder. Right click on my document folder, go to the properties. Here you can see an option hidden. Just check on it and press OK button. It gives you two options. Apply changes to this folder only or include subfolder and file. If you want to hide only my document folder, select the first option. But if you want to hide in subfolder and files, then select the second option. I want to hide only my documents folder, select first option and press OK. As you can see, my document is hidden now. If you want to exit that folder, go to the address bar, type the path and the name of the that specific document. My document. You can see the content of that folder now. If you want to permanently unhide this folder, then go to the View tab, press Hidden Items. It will appear now, but it is still hidden. If you press again Hidden Item, it will hide that My Document. If you want to permanently unhide that My Document folder, right click on My Document, go to the Properties and uncheck this option and press OK. Apply changes to all. As you can see, the My Document folder is visible now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.